Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Forex Flossing, where you can find quick, simple explanations for Forex concepts. So before you start trading, you have to get yourself a broker. Please do extensive research when it comes to selecting a broker. There are several different offshore brokers and U.S. brokers. Please weigh the pros and cons to see which works best for you. It is free to sign up for a broker. So if you run across a broker that charges, it is more than likely a scam. Customer service and user interface are definitely two very important factors when selecting a broker. I cannot emphasize this enough. Do your own research when it comes to choosing a broker. I cannot tell you what broker to choose or even how to trade Forex. However, I can tell you what works best for me, and that is having an offshore broker. So in this video, I will show you my broker, how to sign up, and how to fund your account. So my broker is CoinEx, as you can see. I love this broker for multiple reasons. As previously stated, it is an offshore broker. I fund my account through Bitcoin. They accept multiple base currencies, basically through Bitcoin, Litecoin, those alternate coins. They don't have any type of, they don't accept credit cards. And you really don't want to give that type of personal information over your accounts. So, the best way to withdraw and deposit is through the multiple base currency setup that they have. There is no minimum deposit. So if you wanted to put $10 or $5 on your trading account to start, that's exactly what you can do. It's as easy as that. And like I said, I will be showing you how I fund my account in a minute. Anonymity. A lot of brokers will ask you for personal identification. Like they'll ask you, I know all U.S. brokers ask you for your license. They also want to verify your address. So they'll ask you for a mortgage contract or lease contract. These people do not ask you for that. So that, just for that alone, I am grateful. Now, they do have secure transfers, which makes the loading of funds a little tricky. It's like a two-step process. However, when you go to withdraw funds, you can just withdraw straight into your Cash App. So, I'll show you that in a minute. So right now I'm going to sign in. But what you would do is open an account. Oh, another reason why I really like CoinEx is because of the customer service. I mean, it's 24 hours, 7 days a week. I had an issue one time, and I mean, they cleared it up with the quickness, and even the CEO of the company followed up. It's just, they're on point. So I can appreciate them. You would go to open an account and let's just go there. You would fill out your information. But since I have an account, I'm going to sign in. No, I'm not a robot. And from here, you would deposit money into your account. I will show you that in a second. So once you set up your account, you would go to a live account. I don't know what this is. You would go to MetaTrader 4 and create an account. you would select a leverage all the way up to 500, select a currency, US dollars, and then add the new account to your account. There should also be somewhere on here where you could a link to download MetaTrader 4. And if there's, what is this? And if there's not, you can always go here. Yeah, that link, this is MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 is actually the platform that we use to trade off of. And so you can download MetaTrader 4 by just typing in MetaTrader 4, because this is MetaTrader 4, and what you will do is once you have your live account and they email you your confirmation, you would download MetaTrader 4 and then log in to the trade account using the trade account information that your broker gave you. In this instance, it's CoinEx. So that's just a quick thing right there. Okay, so let's just say hypothetically we've already downloaded MetaTrader 4. We have our login information from our live account that we just created. I already have a live account, so I'm not going to officially create a live account, but this is what you would do in creating a live account. You can also create a account with MetaTrader 5. I don't deal with MetaTrader 5. I do deal with MetaTrader 4. So we have this information. It will be sent to your email, the account number and the account password. We will place that again into our MetaTrader 4 account and log into our trade account. Like so, like that, as Tabitha Brown would say. And now I am going to show you how to load money on to your broker. Okay, so to fund your broker, you will need a Cash App account and a Coinbase account. So first things first, here's my Cash App. We would go down to the little squiggly line and we want to buy some Bitcoin. So I'm going to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. And so here you go. So I just purchased $100 worth of Bitcoin. Now I'm going to take this Bitcoin that's only worth $97 because they gotta take their fees now. And send it to my Coinbase account. So this is my Coinbase account. And I'm going to tell you in a minute why I have to send it through Coinbase. So I want to send the entire amount. Now, the reason why it's a two-step process as far as me sending my money to Coinbase is because with CoinX, every time I make a deposit, they generate a different address for me to send it to that's unique to my account, just so that the money, just so that they can secure the money. Okay, so now we can see that the money has been sent successfully to my Coinbase account, but right now it's pending. It should take no less than an hour to clear, and then we will be sending it to the broker. Okay, so as you can see, our Bitcoin has cleared in our Coinbase account. So I'm now going to my CoinX broker account, and I'm going to deposit my money. So I'm going to deposit funds, select a trading ID, and you can't see it here, but also select a currency. Down here, select the currency. And so the currency that we select is Bitcoin. And these are all the other currencies that this broker allows you to fund your account with. But yeah, we're using Bitcoin. So we copied our address from our CoinX account, and now we are going to send the money in our Coinbase account to our CoinX broker. Okay. Now, for some reason, I can't send the total amount because there are also fees for this one. I think the fees are just a few cents to send from CoinX to, to send from Coinbase to CoinX. So now we just press send now. And there you have it. We're done. So we just wait up no more than maybe 30 minutes and our funds will be on our trading account and we will be ready to trade. So that's all for our video today. I hope you found it useful. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment on our channel, and we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.